Rishabh Pant, even before we begin, our fans are going crazy. And can I open here, please, at an opening bid of 2 crore? Thank you. Lucknow Super Giants with 2 crore even before we begin. At 2 crore. Royal Challengers comes in at 2 crore 20. At 240, up front with the Super Giants. At 240, 260, say RCB, 280, say LSG. At 2 crore 80, 3 crore goes back to Bengaluru. 320, LSG, 340, RCB. At 340. With you, sir, at 340. RCB's bid at 340. 360, LSG, Lucknow. 380, Bengaluru. 4 crore comes to Lucknow. 420, 440, up front. 460, say Bengaluru. 480, say Lucknow. 5 crore to RCB. 525 for the Super Giants. 550 RCB. 575, Super Giants, 6 crore RCB. 625, 650. Back with 675 is here. 7 crores RCB and 25 Super Giants, 50 RCB. 775 is here. 8 crore RCB. 825 is here. Up front. LSG, 850 RCB. 875. Up front. 875. 9 crore for Bengaluru. And 25 for Lucknow. 925 for Lucknow. 950. 975 comes back to Lucknow. At 975, up front by me. At 975, LSG's bid. At 975. Anybody else coming in? At 975, the bid is up front with the Lucknow Super Giants. Rishabh Pant currently at 9 crore and 75 lakh. Are we all done? At 9 crore 75, 10 crore, no says RCB. Thank you. 1025. Back with the Lucknow Super Giants at 1025. One more for you, sir. 1050, he says. 1075 comes back to LSG. 11 crore. 1125 up front. LSG's bid, 1125. Bengaluru contemplates, 1125 up front. No, all done, they say. 1125, still with Lucknow Super Giants. My first bidder, 1125 on my right. Anybody else coming in? 1125 currently, Rishabh Pant. Are we all through? At 11 crore and 25 lakhs, 1150, say Sunrisers Hyderabad. 1175, Super Giants, 12 crore Hyderabad. 25 is up front, LSG. 1250, Hyderabad, 1275 is here. 13 crore Hyderabad, 1325 is Lucknow. 50 is Hyderabad, 1375 Lucknow. 14 crore Hyderabad and 25 Lucknow. 1450 and 1475 is Lucknow. 15 crores is SRH, 1525 LSG. 1525. 1550. 1575 up front. 16 crore Hyderabad, 1625 Lucknow. And 50 Hyderabad, 1675 up front. 17 crores Hyderabad, 1725 is up front with Lucknow. At 1725. And 1750 further back, 1775 is here. At 18 crore, say Hyderabad. 1825, say the Super Giants. 1850, Hyderabad. 1875, LSG. 1875. 19 crore for Hyderabad. At 1925. Still with the Super Giants at 1925. One more for you, Hyderabad. All done. At 1925. Still with Lucknow Super Giants at 19 crore and 25 lakh. Anybody else coming in? At 19 crore 25 for Rishabh Pant. All done. Fair warning then for any other team. All through and selling on my right. 1 second, say the Sunrisers Hyderabad. 1950. At 1950. 1975. Thank you, Lucknow. Ahead of you, Hyderabad now at 1975. 20 crore, say Hyderabad. Whew, yeah, I feel that. At 20 crore. 2025, say the Super Giants. At 20 crore and 25 lakh up front. Ahead of you, Hyderabad. You coming back? At 20 crore and 25 lakh. All done. Need a second. 20 crore 50 lakh, they say. At 20 crore and 50 lakh. At 20 crore 50. Thank you. 20 crore 75. Lucknow Super Giants comes back. Hyderabad says out. At 20 crore and 75 lakh now back with the Lucknow Super Giants. Last chance for any other team as well. All done. All through with the Lucknow Giants at 20 crore and 75 lakh. I'll bring it down, but I will ask Delhi Capitals if they would like to execute their right to match. They would. Lucknow, may I request your final bid, please? Let's try. 27? 27 crore, say the Lucknow Super Giants. That's their final bid. Would Delhi like to match that with their RTM option? 27 crore. No, they would not. And so the player will remain with the Lucknow Super Giants at 27 crore. We have Rishabh Pant going to the Lucknow Super Giants. Well done. Rishabh Pant becomes the most expensive player sold in the IPL thus far. Thank you very much. That brings us to the end of our first set, marquee set. We are going to take a short